Officer, I exercise my right to remain silent, and I will not answer any questions unless my attorney is present. Now, this does bring up a good question. I received a question from someone on one of my comments asking, Jeff, I understand the situation with exercising your rights, but what if you're at a high tense moment and the officer's barking orders at you and you're afraid if you don't comply in some way that could lead to them getting violent? Now, in that situation, you should specifically ask that officer for clarification before you make any moves. For example, I've seen officers, when they come to someone's front window, they're in their car during a traffic stop. Maybe they're drawing down on them and they're saying, keep your hands on the steering wheel, keep your hands on the steering wheel, give me your ID now. Well, they've now barked two different sets of orders. One, they're asking for your ID. The other ones, they're saying to keep your hands visible. You can't do both at the same time. So it's important now, you have to calm down, don't move quickly, and it's time to ask for clarification before you do anything. Because here's why this matters. In that situation, doing nothing's not going to work because the cops are going to escalate the situation. In that situation, you could use something like this, quote, Officer, I'm willing to comply. But I need to know, do you want me to keep my hands on the wheel or should I reach for my ID now? This shows very clearly, if you're recording everything, that you are not trying to avoid their instructions or trying to be resistant to what they're doing. You are also seeking specific clarification so that if there is any confusion in how the cop acted, it's going to be based on how they overreacted, not how you overreacted.